Welcome to Employment and Education News. If you want a job means you are watching the right channel. Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 496 Junior Executive Air Traffic Control Post vacancy in Airport Authority of India Limited. Eligibility BSc with Physics and Mathematics, BE or BTech. Age limit maximum 27 years as on 30 November 2023. Last date for application 30 November 2023. जूनियर राजभाषा अधिकारी, जूनियर सुपरवाइजर केमिकल, जूनियर सुपरवाइजर एडमिन, माइनिंग मेट, माइनिंग सर्वेयर, माइनिंग फोरमैन, सुपरवाइजर इलेक्ट्रिकल, सुपरवाइजर सिविल, सुपरवाइजर फाइनेंस पोस्ट वैकेंसी इन IREL इंडिया लिमिटेड. एलिजिबिलिटी 10th with mining mate certificate, diploma in engineering, graduation, diploma in mines survey, diploma in mining with foreman competency certificate, postgraduate in commerce with experience. एज लिमिट मैक्सिमम 30 years for जूनियर राजभाषा अधिकारी, जूनियर सुपरवाइजर केमिकल, जूनियर सुपरवाइजर एडमिन, माइनिंग मेट, माइनिंग सर्वेयर एंड 33 years for माइनिंग फोरमैन, सुपरवाइजर इलेक्ट्रिकल, सुपरवाइजर सिविल, सुपरवाइजर फाइनेंस. IIT Hyderabad vacancy for Public Relation Officer, Technical Superintendent, Section Officer, Junior Psychological Counselor, Executive Assistant, Physiotherapist, Staff Nurse, Physical Training Instructor, Library Information Assistant, Junior Engineer, Junior Technical Superintendent, Accountant, Junior Assistant, Junior Technician. Eligibility ITI, Diploma in Engineering, Graduation, Postgraduate Degree in Mass Communication, Journalism, Management. BE or BTech, ME or MTech in Geotechnical Engineering, MCA, MSc in Computer Science, IT, Electronics, ME or MTech in Power Electronics, Power Systems, Master Degree in Clinical Psychology, Bachelor Degree in Physical Therapy, 3-year course in General Nursing and Midwifery, Master Degree in Library Science, Information Science. Age limit maximum 35 years for section officer, junior psychological counselor, executive assistant, physiotherapist, staff nurse, physical training instructor, library information assistant, junior engineer, junior technical superintendent, accountant, junior assistant, junior technician, junior library information assistant, junior horticulturist, and 40 years for public relation officer, technical superintendent. Technical and tradesman post vacancy in Assam Rifles. Eligibility 12th ITI, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Architectural Assistantship, Diploma in Radiology, Graduation with Madhyama in Sanskrit or Bhushan in Hindi, Bachelor Degree in Electrical, Mechanical, Civil Engineering. Age limit between 18 to 23 years. Last date for application 19 November 2023. Central Industrial Security Force recruitment against sports quota for 215 head constable post. Sports discipline athletics, boxing, basketball, football, gymnastics, handball, hockey, shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling, taekwondo, bodybuilding. Eligibility 12th. Age limit between 18 to 23 years. Last date for application 28 November 2023. 10 officer trainee law post vacancy in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility LLB and CLET 2024. Age limit maximum 28 years as on 29 November 2023. Last date for application 29 November 2023. Application fees Rs 500 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD, EXSM and DEXSM candidate. 20 officer trainee finance post vacancy in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility CA CMA. Age limit maximum 28 years as on 13 November 2023. Last date for application 13 November 2023. Thanks for watching till the end.